Yo, what's up YouTube? It's been like, what, 10 years? I know I usually post one video, disappear for like 5, then post again. But here we are, back again. So, just quick update. Sold the Camaro. I'm kidding, not until the Camaro. But I did actually start modifying it, so it doesn't look stock anymore. It's changed a bit. Here, I'll show you guys. So yeah, it's definitely looking a lot different now. Got some TEs on it, slammed it on some coilovers, got carbon fenders, carbon lip, that's like my 3rd lip, the wing, and the mirrors. I think I already had the mirrors before. Another thing I did was the exhaust. I don't know if I had a video of it with the exhaust, but yeah, got the Borla exhaust on there. Actually here, I'll do a cold start since we're gonna head out. Sounds like once the car's warmed up and everything, a little later I'll probably do a couple revs so you can hear what it sounds like. But yeah, no, all this is axle back, Borla exhaust. Yeah. All right, so I just got this mount, so we'll see if it works, if you can actually stay on there without falling or anything. But yeah, that's sick. Yeah. But yeah, so I got BC coilovers on it. I got TE37’s. The Borla exhaust and the carbon lip. I think I already had the mirror caps, but that's about it. Oh, and the carbon fenders, which I just got color matched, and I installed them this last week. So I took it to Lake 2O, and then yeah, later we're gonna do a photo shoot so we can reveal the fenders on Instagram. Yeah, this is the Camaro. What is it, 4 or 5 years later from the last time. Let's test out this the mount, see if it falls. Yeah, the mount so far so good. It's a little shaky, but not too bad. I wonder if you guys can hear the exhaust. Another thing I did forget to say was I also did upgrade the steering wheel. I always tend to forget to mention that. But yeah, I went with the carbon, or half carbon with suede or Alcantara. So I did buy this one used, so it has the yellow stripe on it, and the Alcantara is already a little bit worn out. I gotta maintenance it, but overall it's pretty good. Another thing is, when I did put the coilovers on, it does not let me go over 85. But I know there's a way to bypass that. I had to buy modules for each sensor, or I can wire some, lost the word, wire some. I can wire it up so that it can bypass it. I just haven't done it. And obviously the tire light's on because I have the TEs with no TPMS sensors on them. But yeah, it's how it is so far. Alright, so now we're heading to the photo shoot. So once we're there, the car's already warmed up, so I can probably give it a couple reps so you guys can hear what it sounds like. But yeah, I'll pick up the camera again once we're over there. Alright, so I'm on my way over there. I do have to hop on the freeway for a little bit, so if I can get it up to the 85 so I can show you guys what it says when it restricts the speed. I don't know if many other people have done that, where they delete the MagneRide and put coilovers on. But yeah, it won't let you go over 85. And then since I did slam it, the speedometer isn't accurate, so 85, I'm technically going only like 82 miles per hour. So it sucks, I need to fix that, but it is what it is. That's the price you have to pay when you want to slam Camaro. But I will say, on the coilovers, it does ride and handle pretty good. the ride was nice and everything, but I do like how I have the BC set up on there. And then I did opt for the upgraded Swiss springs, so it rides pretty good. At least I like it. Yeah, we just finished with the photo shoot. On my way back home now. Hella dark right now. But yeah, no, photo shoot went well.